HealthBreak is sponsored by CHI Memorial.
A hernia is a bulging of the intestines through the muscle or tissue that holds it in place. Dr. Daniel Heithold from CHI Memorial says hernias need treatment because they don't heal themselves.
We restore the protruded contents back to normal anatomy and then reinforce the natural tissue with sutures and sometimes mesh to prevent recurrences. We specialize in advanced minimally invasive techniques for some people.
And CHI Memorial has the most up-to-date surgical technology available.
We have new robotic techniques for complex hernias that used to require several days in the hospital that allow patients to go home the same day now. We offer techniques that are not offered in the region, and we take pride in helping those that have no other options in town.
To learn more, visit us online at memorial.org.